Welcome back. Residents of Driver Hill in Vasco Guerrao, the assistant engineer of PWD MS Kunju, demanding regularization of water supply. The agitated residents informed that for the past 10 years, they were facing water shortage, and despite of several complaints, none of the authorities adhered to their grievances.
The residents of Driver Hill marched to the office of Assistant PWD Engineer to seek assurance of regularization of water supply in their area. They said that problem of water shortage is routine and that they were facing hardships as there are no wells in the area. Some of the residents informed that the officials were unaware of the place called Driver Hill in Vasco.
I will give in writing. Till that time, I will send tanker. How much you want?
No, tanker we don't
कोण कुंजू मुंजू म्हणटा पळय तो येता सांगता आमकां जातले सारकें न्यूट्रलायज जातले म्हणून कांयच करिना 2 दीस सोडटा 8 दीस उदक ना परत
This is our third time we are coming over here. Before, 6 months before we had come, that time he came on our Driver Hill, studied, but there was no result at all. So again we came today to say with the same problem.
The residents demanded written assurance from the assistant engineer Kunju. Kunju assured the people to get the water restored within 7 days.
2 days before there was a pipe breakdown because now the new pipeline is being laid by through JICA. So that pipe they are supplying and stacking near the existing pipe while unloading one 1200 mm dia pipe which carries water to Verna is damaged.
A reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madgaikar.
Now news from sports. Sports Authority of India's Girls Hostel is running full-fledged now in Pede Mapsa. The Sports Training Centre has called for selection trials to select trainees for 2012-2013. The trials will be held from 9th to 11th January.
The newly built Sai Girls Hostel caters for residential facilities as well as day boarding scheme. Sports practiced here include athletics, boxing, judo and kabaddi. In charge of the centre, Satish Bagal gave details.
स्पोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया ने सिर्फ गर्ल्स के लिए पेडेम में हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज़ दे दिया है जिसमें पूरा लॉजिंग बोर्डिंग टोटली फ्री है और उसके साथ साथ पूरा ट्रेनिंग फैसिलिटी फ्री है। इसका फ़ायदा गोवा के लोगों ने उठाना चाहिए, अपने बच्चों को लड़कियों को भेजना चाहिए और आगे जाना चाहिए, बढ़ना चाहिए। गर्ल्स का टेस्ट है सिलेक्शन ट्रायल्स वो 9, 10, 11 तारीख को है जनवरी में, तो सभी ने पार्टिसिपेट करना है। एज ग्रुप है 14 साल से लेकर 20 उम्र तक, लेकिन प्रायोरिटी है 14 साल से लेकर 18 साल तक। उसके लिए प्रावीण्य जो है उनका जो स्टेट लेवल का पार्टिसिपेशन या मेडलिस्ट विनर को प्रेफरेंस दिया जाता है।
Bagal also explained the residential and non-residential options.
इसमें रेसिडेंशियल फैसिलिटी जो गर्ल्स की है उसमें एथलेटिक्स, कबड्डी, बॉक्सिंग और जूडो ये 4 स्पोर्ट्स इंक्लूडेड। डे बोर्डिंग करके और एक गवर्नमेंट ने स्कीम रखी है, उसमें नॉन रेसिडेंशियल स्कीम है, वो बॉयज़ के लिए प्रेफरेंसली उसमें ज़्यादा है। वो दोनों सेंटर पे चलती है, पोंडा सेंटर और पेडम सेंटर।
A reporter from Mapsa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
The first leg of the 2011-12 I-League is over. The league is now having a short break and the action will resume back on Friday. It has been an exciting and unpredictable first leg with lesser-known teams shocking some of the bigger names in Indian football. Some fantastic goals have been registered over this period. Let's enjoy some of these goals.
Nicely here to Colasso, looking for the cross. Chidi Day head it back. Opportunity, Fernandez turns and scores as well.
Cute angle, tall guy. He's got the pace, the Australian. He took it round Gerard de Mello. And I thought... to leave.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.